Maggie to the rescue.
Hey everybody, Penny and Maggie are here with a fashion pack for Penny Brite. And if you just saw my latest video, this Penny was created using 2 damaged dolls, and I was able to create 1 healthy doll out of the 2 damaged dolls. So be sure to check that out. Isn't she adorable? What a cute little doll. And she's about from 1963. Thank you, Maggie. You can have a seat. So today's conundrum is whether or not to open this fashion pack. Isn't it adorable? So it's a little sunsuit for Penny. It's got the little dress with the 60s flowers, the little underpants, and the headscarf. I love that part. And she's got a little tote bag and little sandals. I don't know what this thing is. I guess I'll try to figure that out. And then the booklet, which I would love to look in. So I guess it probably has other products. But look, it's a perfectly preserved fashion pack. So 60 years old. Like, that's very difficult to decide. So Maggie says no. And Penny says, heck yeah, I want to put on that outfit. So that's my conundrum. But I really, really want to see her in it. And I was thinking maybe I can just take this nail file and then go in here. And usually when you take these things off, the paper attaches. And so it'll sort of stay blue, I think. And then I could take everything out. And if I ever have the urge, I could glue it back down. Anyway, it's so cute. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take it out. I just have to. Okay, so Maggie and I had a talk and she's on board now. She's fine with us opening the fashion pack, and Penny and Maggie are gonna watch as I do this. Okay, so I have 2 different nail files, and since the tips don't have the file part on it, I'll try to stick with that. This one's a little longer, so let me try that. Oh gosh. Just slightly nerve-wracking. It wasn't even very expensive. It was actually cheaper than these usually are. It was about the same price as if I had just gotten the sunsuit, not in the fashion pack. Let's see if this is working. Yeah, it seems to be working. The paper came off. That makes me a little nervous. Let's go back this way. That's interesting. It's a little bent here, so it's giving me some trouble. I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. This is so fun. Except for it would be less nerve-wracking on Christmas Day. Okay, getting closer. It's interesting that there's no branding on this except for this. There's nothing anywhere. It's just cardboard. Okay. Might be procrastinating a little bit. Uh-oh, see that? I didn't want it to do that. Oh, shoot. First thing out, what the heck is this? It looks like some of the plastic has some remnant plastic. Anybody know what this is? Okay, we'll just put that there. Okay, almost there. Okay, what's going on? All right, let's see if I can do it. Oh, no, I haven't done this part yet. Or is it just sticking? Oh, that part kind of ripped. Well, hasn't been perfect, but we'll see. Here's our booklet. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. It's been perfectly preserved. Oh my gosh, what is that? Johnny 7. And if you saw my other video, you know that Penny was made by Deluxe Reading in Elizabeth, New Jersey, and Topper Toys, so it was both Deluxe and Topper. I mean, I think they're the same company. Okay, I'll look at that in a minute. Too exciting. Okay. Guess I skipped spots. Oh, I think it's glued here as well a little bit. So I'm going to try to get to her underwear like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. See if the elastic's still good. Yeah, even the elastic is still good. You know how that can just break down. Oh my gosh. Look, Penny, got your underpants. Okay. Here comes the dress. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, she has little snaps for the shoulders. Wonderful. And look how perfectly preserved those snaps are. So cute. Okay, head scarf. Oh, it has a little piece of cardboard keeping it all. Perfect. I'll have to preserve this too. Oh my gosh. Okay, here you go. Here, Penny. Here, Maggie. I don't want you to feel left out. All right. Little shoes. Penny, finally you'll have shoes. These are interesting because they're kind of like, almost like clogs or open-toed clogs. They're not exactly sandals. Very cute. And then her matching tote bag. Look at that. I want to smell it. Yep, smells like kind of rubbery plastic still. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun. So not too bad, right? I think I can get them back in and glue it down if ever needed. But I don't even think I'd want to do that. I just want to keep everything in here and maybe display it like this when Penny's not wearing them. So now I'm going to get Penny set up to get her dressed. All right, Maggie put on her polka dot dress. Okay, so I'm going to take this off first. I'll be sure to keep this. This is so specific to this particular item that they made this cardboard just for that. Now I'll get Penny dressed first and then we'll look at the booklet. Can't wait to see what's in there. If you watch my other video, you know I wasn't familiar with Penny Brite dolls. I kept seeing them in this particular thrift mall that I would go to, actually a couple of them, and I was just like, who is this cute little doll? And so I finally looked her up. All right, underpants first. Look at the little piping, and it's even stitched here as well. So well made. And let's put this on. This is the part I'm most excited about. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute. All right, let's try the shoes. Are they different? Are they left and right? I don't think so. This one has plastic remnant as well. Can you see that? I'll have to cut that off. But for right now, I'm just going to put them on. Look at that. Here's her tote bag. Cutest outfit ever. All right, so let's look in the booklet. So that's the little case that she came in. Gosh, look how cute that is. Look at her on the phone and at the beach. Sorry, the neighbor's dog is barking. And I have to admit, I've ordered the little raincoat and rain hat. Oh look, they all come with this little thing. Is that supposed to be a hanger? Maybe she had a little closet that things hang in. I think I might have to stop, unless the dog stops. I think he stopped. Sailor outfit. And a little bride outfit. Flower girl. I was about to say she's a little young to be a bride. Oh my gosh, she had a whole kitchen dinette. Okay, I know it's probably annoying to hear the dogs. Okay, I think he stopped for a minute. So mid-century looking. Let's see what else. Oh, she had a car. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh, she had her own beauty parlor. Oh my gosh, I would have freaked out. Oh, a canopy bed. Oh, and schoolroom. I loved playing teacher as a kid, and I teach now, so that's pretty wonderful. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Oh, what's this? Baby Brite. Oh, a little baby doll. She has a really cute face. I'll have to be on the lookout for her. And then boy stuff. Okay. All right. Yeah. Ugh, no. That doesn't interest me. Sorry. I like things that nurture, not things that take life. So I really do think it would be real easy for me just to put the pieces back in there and display it. So no harm done, really. Maybe you have fashion packs too that you have angsted over whether to open them up or not. I'd love to hear about it. And there's lots more to come. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed to Maggie to the Rescue, please join us. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.